Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing how I filled my pre-application form for Asia Kakehashi Project. So Asia Kakehashi Project 2026 application forms are out. Asia Kakehashi Project Plus in Japan, a study abroad scholarship program for Asian high schoolers interested in building their global competence. So let me just clarify you all with the eligibility. It's all written in AFS India's website. For the Asia Kakehashi Project Plus 2026, AFS is identifying and selecting scholarship recipients from 27 countries. Applicants to the program in 2026 must meet the following criteria. So, firstly, you must be between 15 to 18 years of age, which is born after April 2nd, 2008 and before April 1st, 2011. You must be a legal citizen of India. Like if you're applying from India, then you must be a legal citizen of India, and if you're applying from other countries, you must be a legal citizen of that country. And for Indian citizens, actually Indian students, you must have obtained minimum of 60% marks in principal in all subjects in the latest examination at school, and overall minimum average of 60% marks in all subjects for the past 2 years. I had submitted my class 9th, class 10th, and class 11th mark sheets. In class 9th, I had 92%, and in class 10th, I had 97.4%, and in class 11th, I again had 92%. Next, you must be a learner of Japanese. Participants for the Japanese speech contests are encouraged to apply and have priority for the selection. This means that AFS is looking for students who have a genuine interest and a willingness to experience Japan. So learning Japanese or doing speech contest is a plus. Even if you have just started learning Japanese, showing your genuine interest into the Japanese language and its culture matters the most. Demonstrate strong potential of leadership to act as a bridge between the home country and Japan during and after the program. This is the most important eligibility criteria. Asia Kakehashi. Kakehashi means bridge. You must act as a bridge between your country and Japan by connecting cultures, sharing experiences, and building understanding between the two countries. The eligibility criteria is you should not have participated in the Asia Kakehashi project before, which is so sad. I cannot apply again, but I will help you all to apply. Priority will be given to students or families with low income. Okay. So the tentative program dates for this year is August 2026 to December 2026. So the applications are out, you can see. The last date of filling this application is 8th February 2026. I will be filling a sample pre-application form for the Indian applicants so that you all get an idea of how to fill the form. And I will be also reading my essays and what all I wrote. So let's begin with the application. I already told about the eligibility and the last date. Next. So there's the first question of personal information. Please choose any one chapter city from the listed below, only for Indian students. Okay, suggestion is to locate the nearest chapter. Please calculate the distance between the city and chapter in the list and choose the nearest chapter. I actually selected Hyderabad as my nearest chapter because I had my family living there. But you can select your nearest chapter. There are various chapters such as the Ahmedabad, Anand, Bangalore, Bhopal, Chennai, Coimbatore, Delhi, Gandhinagar, Guwahati, Gwalior, Hyderabad, Indore, Jamshedpur, Jodhpur, Kolhapur, Kolkata, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, Nabha, Nagpur, Nashik, Ooty, Patiala, Pune, Rajkot, Srinagar, Trivandrum, Varanasi, etc. So you can select. Then you need to write your full name as per your Aadhaar card, which you can do. So I'll not submit this, but I'll write TANISHA SAHU. Then Then male, female. Then date of birth, you can give your date of birth. And country of birth, if you're from India, then give India, of course. Like AFS India also takes the application of Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal student. So if you are from these countries, you can also apply through AFS India. City and state, mobile number, email ID, current address, permanent residential, you can do it. Legal citizen of India, you can do it. Do you have a valid passport? So at my time, I didn't have a valid passport. So I selected no and I'll apply. And if you have a passport, that's a plus point. You can do it right now. Okay. Now father's name, father's phone number, these all are the basic details you can actually fill. Email, father's occupation, father's annual income, mother's name, mother's phone number, mother's email ID, mother's income. In my case was not applicable as my mother is a homemaker. Have you participated in any AFS programs before? So if you have participated in any AFS program, then you need to select yes and then mention the program details. Has any of your siblings participated? Then if yes or else no. Okay. Have you ever traveled before? In my case, I hadn't traveled abroad before, so in my case, it was no. Religion, I'm a Hindu. You can give your religion, and the most important part is the dietary statement, which you need to be honest. You don't click anything. You need to be very, very clear with your dietary statements because according to it, you will be placed, and also you will get your food during the orientation. You know Japanese language, you are at the very beginning stage, you can say yes, but specify your level of Japanese. I'll say yes and 5 level. Then if you, oh, actually these are the new ones which wasn't there before. Okay, all the best. Attach Japanese language certificates. If you don't have, you can just skip those part. What level of your Japanese language proficiency in written? So I'll write lower intermediate. Speaking is intermediate. For now, I'm just selecting anything. So please don't judge. Name of the school, school address, alternate coordinate. This all I think you can just do it by yourself. Actually, these all are like I'm saying for the first time they have changed the application form. School monthly fee. This wasn't there actually. Please use this space to tell your extracurricular. This was there. I'll read out my part. Okay. Are you disabled? No, no. It's actually very long. But all the best. You can do it. Gambatte. Percentage received. They had like in this form it's written percentage received in 2023-24, but at my time they asked for the transcripts where I had to like submit them the transcript. Have you been hospitalized? No. If you have, and this is also a very important part, like if you have any medical condition, then you need to write specify, and you need to tell everything to AF according to your like condition, your mm, dietary restrictions and everything. They will find a perfect placement for you. Please attach. Yeah, you know, for now I'm writing anything. Next, it's actually a very long process, but it's really worth it.